Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account without actively working for it. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, passive income is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful ways to build passive income streams that can help you achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. Number 1, digital products, ebooks, courses, printables. The first passive income idea is selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital ones require no inventory, no shipping, and once created, they can generate sales forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Udemy allow you to sell ebooks on trending topics, online courses teaching valuable skills, printables like planners, templates, or workout guides. People worldwide are making $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month just by selling digital downloads. The best part? Once created, they require minimal maintenance. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most profitable passive income sources. You promote products or services using a unique link, and whenever someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The best platforms to start with are Amazon Associates for physical products, Share a Sale and Impact for digital and software products, ClickBank for high-paying offers. By recommending products you truly believe in, you can build a trust and earn anywhere from $500 to $50,000 per month, depending on traffic and niche. Number 3, investing in stocks and ETFs. Investing in the stock market is a proven way to build long-term passive income. Instead of letting your money sit in a bank with low interest, invest in dividend stocks, companies that pay you every quarter, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, low-risk diversified investments, REITs, real estate investment trusts. Earn from real estate without owning property. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, and Wealthsimple make investing easy. And with compounding growth, your money can double in just a few years. Number 4, YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to be a YouTuber to make money on YouTube. Faceless YouTube automation is the secret behind many successful channels. Here's how it works. Hire scriptwriters and voiceover artists, or use AI like 11 Labs. Use stock footage and video editing tools, CapCut, Premiere Pro. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Many YouTube automation channels make $5,000 to $50,000 per month, all without ever showing their face. Number 5, rental income, Airbnb and car rentals. If you have extra space or even a car, you can turn it into passive income. Airbnb, rent out a spare room or an entire property and earn $1,000 plus per month. Many people in the USA and Europe are turning their homes into income-generating assets. Car rentals. Apps like Turo allow you to rent out your car when you're not using it, making $500 to $2,000 a month effortlessly. Why let your car sit in the driveway when it can pay for itself? Now that you know these powerful passive income ideas for 2025, it's time to take action. Comment below. Which idea are you most excited to try? Subscribe for more financial tips and wealth building strategies. Your future self will thank you for starting today.